Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix mouse pointer not working in Windows 10 or 11. So in this case you have to click on Windows plus X. Now arrow down key, this arrow you can see here on the screen, arrow down, and click on enter to device manager. Now click on tab and then again arrow to this mice and other pointing device. Click on enter, click on this right arrow and you will find two options. Just choose the second one or the first one, that's up to you. Now click on enter. Now you'll find here this box. You have to now go to the driver beside the general option. So all you have to just do tap 3 times, 1 2 3. Now you'll find here this option. Now click on right arrow and you'll find driver. Right, now all you have to just go here. Now click on tab again tab and go to uninstall device. After go to uninstall device, click on enter and it will pop up a window like this. Now if you hit on enter, your this mice will be uninstalled. Then all you have to uninstall and reinstall it again. Just reset your computer, restart your computer, and your issues will be fixed. Okay, so after uninstall, make a quick restart in your PC. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.